Hello everyone, my name is Dave Casuto from San Francisco Computer Tutors, and in this tutorial we're going to show you how to create a template using Dreamweaver. Templates are very beneficial, so you don't have to actually do the same thing over and over again. You can create a template and apply that template to other pages and continue to use that template to save lots of time and energy. So the way to tell Dreamweaver that a certain part is going to be editable versus another part being static is you want to highlight the area first of all, or you can even put your mouse where you want it to be and say, okay, you know what, I want this part that I've just highlighted to be an editable region. So in other words, when you're using this template in the future, that's the only part that can be edited. Okay, so very simply, so I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to right click or control click on the Mac, and then I'm going to see I have this drop down menu pop up, this shortcut list. I'm going to go to templates, and you see here I have all these different options here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose new editable region, and then I'm going to name this. I'm just going to call this main body. Click OK, and now see I've got main body now highlighted in blue there. So when I actually use this, this part will be editable within the main body. So I'll choose this right up here, and I'm going to right click or control click on the Mac, all right, and then say new editable region, and I'm going to call this heading 1. Click OK, and now that is editable for me. Okay, now everything else outside the page, like Story Street and all of my links up here, are not going to be editable once I use this as a template. So this is a nice fast way of basically keeping all of your hard work intact, so you don't have to, continually reinvent the wheel for yourself. So okay, here is my great website. Now another thing you'll notice is that it maintained all the different page properties. So if you have any style sheets applied to it, it maintains all of them. So you see here I have a certain head tag to it, and I have different font elements to it as well. So that is templates in a nutshell, and don't forget about your assets panel. This is where you're going to find them, and then you can add new templates by coming down to your panels down here. Okay, oops. All right, you can edit it, you can create a new one. Okay, you can refresh based on new information you put in there, and then you can also apply the template to pre-existing things that you're working on as well. Okay, so that's it for templates. Enjoy. Okay, well that concludes our exercise on creating templates in Dreamweaver. Hope you enjoyed that. Once again, my name is David Casuto from San Francisco Computer Tutors, and give me a jingle anytime. My business is listed on Yelp.com under San Francisco Computer Tutors, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.